Hey guys, I know I'm back once again after 2 months. I know I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded a lot because I've been busy with a lot of stuff with college and my program and stuff. And trust me, I mean a lot of stuff. In my college we were doing job sites and doing a lot of some busy stuff. So I had to work my ass off to do a lot of that stuff. But anyways, as you could probably see by the title, look at this. I just got a package. 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 Wonder what's inside. This is a nice sealed box. Or packaging, I mean. Ooh, oh, this is easy to open. Oh, I could see something on the inside. Oh. Do you know what this is? Oh, yes! I got the green Joe shirt from Spoon. Wow, looks so awesome. Pretty damn cool. See the green squares? And here's the back of it. Oh, it's so cool. Alright, now I'm gonna try this on. Be right back. Ooh, that was quick. But, wow. This fits really nice. Although, it felt a bit tight on me because I saw the tag that says, it says like 2XL. I was thinking of I might get 3XL, but that was a total lie. But, although I still like it, I love it. It's really nice. Here's the back. Yep. So now I got 2 or 3 stuff from Spoon. I got this Steve green striped shirt and my chipboard notebook, and now this Joe shirt. If you haven't seen those 2 videos, click down there so you could see them. But so credit and shout out to Spoon for this. Spoon, this is nice. I love it. It's really nice. So yeah. So that's going to be it for my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe for more content if I'm not busy again. And until next time, bye-bye.